Condensed batteries were introduced by CATL on April 19 at the Auto Shanghai show. It can achieve high energy density and high level of safety at the same time in a creative way, opening up a brand new electrification scenario of passenger aircrafts with an energy density of up to 500 W/. Condensed batteries can be produced in large quantities quickly by CATL. But let's now find out what the condensed battery has in store as its functional power in this briefing. The condensed battery developed by CATL uses highly conductive biomimetic condensed state electrolytes to build a micron-level self-adaptive net structure that can change the interactions between the chains. This improves the conductive performance of the cells, increasing the efficiency of lithium-ion transporting while enhancing microstructure stability. Condensed batteries also incorporate a number of cutting-edge technologies, such as cathode materials with an ultra-high energy density, novel anode materials, separators, and production methods, and they provide excellent charge and discharge performance as well as good safety performance. With the introduction of this cutting-edge technology, the boundaries that have long limited the growth of the battery industry are broken, and a new electrification scenario centered on high levels of safety and lightweight will be revealed. Currently, CATL is working with partners on the creation of electric passenger aircrafts, while also conducting testing and adhering to aviation-level standards and specifications. Condensed batteries, which are anticipated to go into mass production this year, will also be introduced at the same time as the automotive-grade version. Wu Kai, the chief scientist at CATL, stated that meeting customer needs is the core driving force that drives technological innovation for CATL. Currently, CATL has the most comprehensive technology roadmap for batteries in the world. It has also developed the ability to translate basic research into industrial applications, which can then be used in expansive commercial applications. For instance, CATL introduced the first generation of sodium-ion batteries in 2021, which were introduced on Chery Automobile during this exhibition and had an energy density of 160 W/. The Kiln battery, which CATL unveiled in 2022 and began mass production in March, has the highest integration efficiency in the world. They have been applied to numerous high-end BEVs, including the Zeekr, Aito, and Li Auto. Aircrafts will develop into cleaner, more intelligent machines as electrification spreads from the ground to the air. Condensed batteries will open up more opportunities for the industry's development and advance the achievement of the world's carbon neutrality goals, sooner by ushering in an era of universal electrification of sea, land, and air transportation. Condensed batteries for electric vehicles will be able to be mass-produced this year thanks to a collaboration between CATL and the manufacturers of electric aircraft. Condensed batteries are expected to be used in electric aircraft and accelerate change in the electric vehicle industry, according to Chinese power battery giant CATL. According to CATL's chief scientist Wu Kai, the company's condensed battery will have high energy density and safety, with single cells having an energy density of up to 500 W/. According to Wu, CATL has developed a micron-scale adaptive mesh structure that controls interchain interaction forces to modify the electrochemical reactions of ultra-high energy density chemistries. According to him, the battery also features a number of advancements in isolation films and novel manufacturing techniques, such as a high-energy cathode and a brand-new anode. According to him, CATL is currently engaged in the collaborative development of a project for a civilian electric aircraft and is using aerospace-grade standards to comply with the project's safety and quality requirements. The condensed battery will be able to be mass-produced this year and be used in electric vehicles, according to Wu. Condensed batteries, in addition to solid-state and semi-solid-state batteries, are being developed by CATL the company initially stated at the Chongqing Auto Show in late June of last year. Condensed batteries have qualities like high safety, high reliability, and good cycle life, according to Wu, who stated this at a conference for the new energy vehicle industry on August 28, 2022. To give some context, the highest energy density we have seen for a power cell that claims to be able to be mass-produced is 500 W/k. The energy density of today's commonplace lithium-ion battery cells is just over 200 W/k, whereas NIO 150 kilowatt-hours semi-solid-state battery is 360 W/k and is anticipated to be available in a few months. Higher energy density entails more difficult R&D problems, which increases costs. Qin Liang, co-founder and president of NIO, stated on February 11 at a face-to-face user event in Chengzhou, Jiangsu Province, that the 150 kilowatt-hours pack costs roughly the same as an ET5 sedan. A type of semi-solid-state battery with condensed electrolyte and new anode and separator materials. The so-called condensed matter battery will have an energy density of up to 500 W/k. The battery is qualified for use in aviation in terms of quality and safety, according to Wu Kai, chief scientist at CATL, who made the announcement at the launch event for the Shanghai Auto Show. Condensed matter batteries for use in electric vehicles will also be able to be mass-produced by CATL later this year, Wu added. The new battery makes use of highly conductive biomimetic condensed-state electrolytes to boost the microstructure's stability while also enhancing the conductive performance of the cells. This improves the efficiency of lithium-ion transport. The condensed matter battery is said to integrate a range of innovative technologies, including the ultra-high energy density cathode materials, innovative anode materials, separators, and manufacturing processes, offering excellent charge and discharge performance, as well as good safety performance, according to CATL. The cost of the new cells or the materials needed to make them haven't been disclosed, though. There were also a few missing specifications, including charging effectiveness, charge/discharge rate, safety ranges, and life cycles. The Chinese battery producer has recently made groundbreaking product announcements. In 2022, it will produce 37% of the world's energy storage batteries and 43.4% of the energy storage batteries for electric vehicles, totaling 289 GW. With an energy density of 160 W/k for its first-generation sodium-ion battery, when it was released in 2021, CATL promised an increase to 200 W/k for the following generation. It announced earlier this week that Chinese Chery will be the first automaker to utilize its sodium-ion battery technology. The third generation of CATL's cell-to-pack technology, the Kiln battery, was introduced in 2022, with the company claiming it to have the highest level of integration to date. Kiln can deliver a range of over 1,000 kilometers, which equates to a 5-minute hot start and 10 minutes of charging to get from 10 to 80% state of charge, and has a volume utilization efficiency of 72% and an energy density of up to 255 W/k. In March of this year, Kiln series production got underway. There are numerous electric vehicles from ZEKR, Avatio, Li Auto, and Geely that have already been equipped with these batteries. On Tuesday, CATL also disclosed its goals to become carbon neutral at all of its battery manufacturing facilities by 2025 and throughout the entire battery value chain by 2035. The company will concentrate on lowering CO2 emissions in 5 key areas to accomplish this: mining, raw materials, battery manufacturing, and battery systems. Achieving carbon neutrality, according to CATL Board Secretary Zhang Lei, is our duty, proves our capacity, and creates more opportunities. Battery technology has made significant strides in recent years as the world continues to look for more environmentally friendly sources of energy. Contemporary Amperex Technology Co. Limited, CATL, a significant battery supplier to car manufacturers like Tesla and Geely, is one business at the forefront of this technology. A new battery from CATL, which is slated to enter mass production later this year, has just been introduced and is said to be sufficiently energy-dense to be used in passenger aircraft. This new battery's energy density of 500 W// is intriguing because CATL will be one of the first businesses to mass produce a battery with an energy density of this level or higher. The energy density of Tesla's new 4680 cell batteries is rated at 272 to 296 W// which is thought to be very high. However, it is not yet ready for mass production, according to CorExpert. The US-based company Argon has also announced its new battery technology, which will feature 1,200 W// The new battery technology from CATL, known as a condensed battery, has technology that can enhance cell performance and provide excellent charge and discharge performance. A new wave of electrification possibilities, which center around a high level of safety, according to the company, will be made possible by the battery's lightweight profile and cutting-edge technology. One of the most exciting aspects of this development is that a battery technology for automobiles is currently being developed and will start production later this year. The ability to store more energy in electric vehicles will allow for longer ranges and possibly better performance, which is great news for the automotive industry. Additionally, CATL is collaborating with Chinese automaker Chery to introduce its first sodium-ion battery, which will be used in the company's upcoming lineup. This demonstrates that CATL is concentrating on expanding its reach outside of the automotive and aviation sectors. Condensed batteries will launch an era of universal electrification of sea, land, and air transportation, according to the company. I can conclude that CATL's new battery technology represents a significant advancement in the electrification of transportation based on what I have read about it. It will be fascinating to watch how this technology advances over the next few years, as it has the potential to completely transform the aviation and automotive industries. In my opinion, we should start seeing new Tesla vehicles with significantly longer ranges. That's where we wrap things up for the time being. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.